I'm Gigi, Assalamu alaikum. I want to tell you about the Facebook marketing or Facebook posting. First, I will open up the my Facebook account. After that, I will go on my Facebook ID. Then I will go on my Facebook page. After that, I will go on my Facebook page. That's my Facebook page. I want to go on the first create new ad. Okay. You have to create an ad of who's posting. So first you need to like page, get code, subscribe. It's up to you what you want to mm, give it. After that, you add creative. You will add the information related to your ad. What you want to add it. Okay. Acha, okay. If you have add any, so I tell you that I want to go on my post like this. I want to boost my post. Boost. Okay. This is the automatic. I can change it, get more engagement, get more leads, get more website visitor, get more call. It's up to you. What you want. Button. It's up to you. You need button, so you will do WhatsApp message, sign up, call now. It's up to me. It's up to me or it's up to yourself. Then message template. You have to create a message template. After that, you can add here by adding the details here. Okay. Okay. After that, you can apps you want to connect your messenger, Instagram, it's up to you. Connect WhatsApp, it's up to you. Advantage plus creative, yes, you can add it. You can do the changes. But here, if you mostly people don't do anything. Special ad category, it's about financial products, services, employment, housing, or social selection of politics. Use the special. This thing is a very important advantage that how that which people you want to show your post or ads which you will create it. So you can add it here by click on the button. If your post is related to 24, all men, women, 55, you can do it. After that, locations, detailed targeting, it's available. Demographics, you can select the education level. After that, financial income, life events, anniversary, away from family, away from time, birthday month, upcoming birthday, friends of long distance relationship, new job, new relationship, newly engaged. It's up to you totally. Friends or men in a multi different categories you can check mark here. Then after that, you can go. It's about parents, all parents, parents all up to 12 months, toddlers. You can select it and do the tick mark. After that, relation status, civil union completed, divorce, domestic partnership, engaged in a relationship, married, open relationship, separated, single, specified, work, industries, employers, work in English industries, large organizations, small administrative service architecture. You can check mark it. Job titles, employers, you can do the changes. After that, it's interest, business and industry, different types of different types of fields is coming. Business and industry in which different air travel, it's coming. After that, entertainment, games, leisure, live events, in which you will drop down it and check it. In fitness and relationships, family and relationship, fitness and wellness, food and drink, hobbies and activities, shopping and fashion, sports and outdoors, technology, computer and electronics. After that, you will go on to the behaviors, its anniversary, behaviors. You can see it, it's not opening. Mobile devices, operating system, Facebook access, mobile. It's different types of recently detected iPhone 14, film, consumer classification, Pakistan, Argentina, where you want to show your ad or post, digital activities, digital activities, digital activities, teen music creators, expats, mobile device user, or mobile devices by brand, Amazon, Apple, BlackBerry, HTC, Motorola, Samsung, Sony, and different types of mobiles and different types of operating systems. Okay, so through this you can do the changes. After that, you go here. You can add the days. You can also remove the changes. The amount has been written. You can edit it as well. Okay. Advantage and placement. You can also do it. It's up to you. Payment method. You can add it. After that, this is the post of mine that I have posted. Estimated daily results is showing total budget, showing total amount shown. So this thing you can do the Facebook post listing. How you want to boost your post or video or ad or anything or any image on Facebook for the audience. Thank you. This is the video which I have created today. If anything else you want to need it, so please tell me in the comments. I will try to create video on that topic as well. Thank you.